everyone. A warm welcome to our respected brothers Robert, Mrs. Kaushal, all our teachers and my friends. Today we are proud to present an assembly on the topic of faith. I want a superhero, the real superpower. All love superheroes. Their strength, their speed, their amazing powers. But today, we will discover something even more powerful. But before we begin our journey of becoming real superheroes, let us take a moment to pray and ask God for His love and wisdom. Kindly bow your head, join your hands, and close your eyes. Kindly listen and do not sleep. Dear God, thank you for this beautiful day. Help us to be real superheroes, not with speed or magic power, but with kind heart and helpful hands. Teach us to be like blessed and wise, to care for others, to share what we have, and to stand up for what is right. Give us the courage to do good, the strength to work hard, and the wisdom to make right choices. Help us to spread love, joy, and kindness in our schools, our homes, and everywhere we go. Make us the superheroes every day in all that we say and do. Amen. All love superheroes. But have you ever wondered what happens if we try to become one? So now get ready to enter a world full of action, imagination, and big dreams. And welcome them about to discover their own superpower. Scene 1. The boys are sitting together and watching superhero movies. Wow! Did you see that jump? And that move? Wow! The villain just flew away. If I were a superhero, I would fly like that. I will be invisible and eat in class without getting caught. I wish we were all superheroes. Entered the classroom. Good morning, boys. What's all this excitement about? Good morning, sir. We were watching superheroes. We also want to become superheroes. That's interesting. So tell me, what kind of superheroes would you be? I wish I was a super strength boy. I want to lift cars, buses, even buildings. wish to be an invisible god. No one can see me. When you become invisible by avoid helping your parents or doing your work, boys, having superpowers is exciting. But do you know who the real superheroes are? Who, sir? The ones who help others, respect elders, keep their surroundings clean, and work hard without giving up. Does this remind you of someone? He was not born with special powers. He was just a normal human being, like us. Whom are you talking about, sir? His name was Nelson Mandela. He cared for the poor children and changed their lives forever. He believed in helping others and never gave it up. True superheroes are those who show kindness, love, and courage to help others. So tell me, boys, would you like to become superheroes like him? Scene 3. The transformation. Yes, sir. I will be a superhero by helping my friends and completing my work on time. I will be a superhero by being honest and kind. I will be a superhero by keeping my school and surroundings clean. Superheroes are not just in movies. They are all around us and within us. Now let us celebrate the real spirit of superheroes with a song.
Yeah. What's wrong with you? Get aside. Stop.
Just gotta believe there's power and courage in me. And whatever happens, the good days and bad ones, I will stand and say, I can climb this mountain, I can break the storm. with kind heart. I choose to help others every day. I am strong when I do the right thing. Now with happy hearts and big smiles we invite the birthday boy to come up on the stage. Kindly tell your name. Let's sing for them. My name is Let's sing for them. Now we request the respected principal, Brother Robert, to kindly come forward and share his insights with us.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, boys. Once again, we'll try that. Not like that. You have to say together. Wait. Wait. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Let's try again. Good morning, boys. So first and foremost, thank you class 3B for that assembly on superheroes and connecting it to one very important superhero that all of us know, which is Edwin Rice. His picture is also over there. They have said whatever needs to be said. I am just repeating it at the end, just in one line. You also are a superhero when you do all the good things in your life. You also are a superhero when you do all the good things in your life. We have mentioned all the good things that have to be done, respecting people, keeping the place clean, etc. So therefore, all of you are also superheroes when you do these things. So let us hope that everybody in the junior school is going to do that. All right? So thank you once again, class 3B, and all the best to all of you collectively. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. We also request our headmistress, Mrs. Foster, to say a few words.
Good morning, boys. Yeah, what this brother says that you all are a superhero. Are you all superheroes? Okay, I say you all are heroes. Are you intelligent? Then when do you become a superhero? I said you are intelligent, you are a hero, and when will you become a superhero? No, not like this. Not like this.
we are adults.
Yes. If you are intelligent, you are a hero. When will you become a superhero?
We show respect to each other. Take care of us.
Very good. So if you are intelligent, you are going to help others to do their work. Then you become a superhero. Are you kind? So you are a hero. When you become a superhero, yeah, when you show kindness to animals, plants and your friends, you become a superhero. So please look at this, what they have written. There is a superhero in all of us. So kindly believe in that and try to see how you are a superhero. Will you try to see that? Yes, everybody? Okay, thank you. And thank you, Tessie ma'am and the boys. A big round of applause for all of them, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful and super day ahead. Always remember, kindness, courage, and helping others are the greatest superpowers. Thank you.